Real or cake? Real or cake?
Okay, although this is cake, what's real is the cookbook officially being on sale.
And you already know I got a whole chapter dedicated to kulfi, along with my favorite Pakistani recipes simplified to make cooking a piece of cake.
And unlike baking a cake, you don't need to use any traditional measurements in my cookbook. How many times did you follow a recipe that only calls for 1 or 2 cloves of garlic? You already know that's not going to be enough garlic, so what do? You add more. So in this book, I teach you all how to eyeball cook by using feel.
ये गार्लिक क्यों रखा हुआ केक के साथ? पता नहीं, उनकी ड्रामा करना भी, आई डोंट नो। जो कुछ मेरे पास था मेरी होल लाइफ का, ठीक है, वो मैंने इस बुक में कर दिया। मैंने सारा नानी में से सीखा, उनकी कॉपी करती, उनको वॉच करती थी किचन में कैसे बनाती हैं। मैंने ये सारी रेसिपी सारे व्यूअर्स को देती हूँ, जितने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे हैं सारे।
Grab a copy of Beyond Measure right now. Check out the description. Can't wait to see you try these Pakistani recipes.